What's going on, guys? Zach here from Joseph VT. Happy to bring you another video. This time I have the Rotor Riot. Hopefully I pronounced that right. All this is just a gaming controller for your iPhone. As you can see down here, it's made for the iPhone, which means it won't work with Android or anything like that. It's made for the iPhone. So if you're looking for a controller for your iPhone, make sure you buy something that is compatible to this, because there's other stuff out there, like Razer makes one, but it only has the lightning connector for that phone. So just make sure when you do go out looking for a controller for your iPhone, make sure you get the right one, okay? Because there could be different models out there and you buy the wrong one, then it won't work. So there's nothing really important on the side to go over. On the back you have your clean connect, easy for gameplay, 0G basically for optimizing game experience. Then you have the lightning connector for latency, so it's not as bad as it would be sending information from the controller to the phone. So they have a lightning connector for that. Some other information, not really important, then it just tells you some more information on the side. So this is just an unboxing as of right now. I haven't tested it or anything, so you guys are seeing it firsthand as I would. I've never used this before. Honestly, I have no idea how it works. So this is just some information that gives you nothing really important. Here is the controller. For weight, it's very, very, very light. It's kind of like an Xbox controller. Obviously it looks like one, but I'm saying for like weight wise, I would say it feels kind of like an Xbox controller due to its weight. I mean, it might be a little bit lighter, but for the most part, it pretty much feels like one. You got the clickiness of it. Everything feels like it works. I imagine this will be for the stand that you get, so nice to know that when you screw this on, you're able to take it off. So it's more compact when you take it places. Good to know that's not stuck there. So we'll take that off. Going on the back side, here is your cable for connection to your actual phone so that you won't have any issues. And it is lightning. So the only way, for whatever reason, if Apple was to change from lightning to USB-C next year for the next iPhone, if you guys have already seen, the iPhone 13 is still lightning, but let's say the iPhone 14 switches, all you have to do is take lightning to USB Type-C, and then hopefully you're still able to use the controller with no problems. On the bottom here, it looks like you have a USB Type-C plug right there, so you can give power to the controller. I don't believe there's anything else that comes in the box. But outside of that, there's nothing too fancy about this. That's all it is. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like with it on. Let's see here. So now the most important thing is how far does this go apart? Now looking at it, this is how much you get space-wise. So honestly, I don't think it'll fit the iPad, and if it does, it'd be very, very close, because that doesn't look like the mini iPad width. So I don't think you can get it any bigger, so I don't know why they portray the iPad on here, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't fit. But obviously, depending on what iPad you're using, you're just gonna plug it in, so you probably won't even use this anyways. So it's a universal thing, but now all the iPads, besides the cheapest one, is USB Type-C. So to start off with, you already need an adapter for this, but maybe next year they'll come out with a new one. I just bought this just to show you guys what a cheap option is, and I just want to know if it works, if it's worth it, or if it's not. But to test out, see, I do have a case on my phone, so as you guys can see, I will put this in here. Now, it definitely does fit. Let's make sure it connects. Okay, the App Store. See what it does here. Okay, so I guess it's just bringing up the App Store of games that you can download. Let's try, let me download, take it off screen here so you guys don't see my information, but I imagine these might be the games it works with. So I guess I will let you guys know when I test it out to see if these are the only games it works with or these are just the games it popped up with. So I guess we'll find out when I do testing, and I will let you guys know. But there you go, guys. Pretty simple, nothing fancy. It is heavy, it feels heavy, but it is pretty sturdy. Like, I'm shaking it and it does wiggle, but it's staying in there. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll let you guys know more about this later. Peace.